Hey, it's Chris from Preppy Boys Automotive. We do automotive repairs in all makes and all models, and our motto here is professional auto repair at backyard prices. Today we have a 1998 Lincoln Continental. Problem is the vehicle, well, originally the vehicle was towed in here because of a broken strut and a blown tire. However, we went to move it into the shop and the vehicle won't start. Now, there was some information that the customer had liked to tell us. Before this had happened, the car had sat for months and months and months, and the car battery had died, and they had to jump start it to get it going. Now the problem is with that, these vehicles are equipped with what's called PAT8s, PATs. It's an anti-theft system, and the keys are coded for these type of vehicles. Keys look like that. Have a little microchip in here that prevents somebody from stealing this car. Now the problem is, now that the battery went dead, the car has actually forgotten the key codes, and it is not allowing the vehicle to start. Now it will crank, but however, it will not allow fuel to get to the engine. The anti-theft system disables the fuel pump. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like. Now, this battery's kind of low. However, see that it just doesn't even seem like it's getting fuel. Now, one thing you can tell if this is actually happening, say if your battery just went dead, or you had a jump start, or whatever the may cause be. The little thing up here, without a real expensive scanner, see this little light right there? That's the anti-theft light. Turn the key off, and oh, it's not blinking now. Yeah, see that light right there? Okay, now watch what happens when I crank the engine. Well, it's a bad example. The battery's getting so low it's not even blinking anymore. But in the instance that the key has lost its program, this little light will blink on and off very rapidly as you crank the engine. Unfortunately, the battery's almost dead on this thing again, so that's not really going to help. But this will blink. That's a little way you can tell that the key has lost its programming. There also is a way that most people won't have this unless you're a professional mechanic, but you can grab your handy-dandy scanner. This is a Snap-on Ethos. This is about a $2,000 piece of equipment. And I pulled up the memory codes, and I don't know if you can see it or not, P1260, theft detected, engine disabled. It's got a number of other codes, but it's all linked to the battery being very, very low. Left front speed sensor that has to do with that strut being broken. But there it is. Theft detected, engine disabled. Now, the only way to really remedy this is option one. If you're lucky enough, you will have both of your keys, and have to be not the spare key, but both of the keys look like this. The way that you can reprogram this, you can actually do this from your home. All you have to do is first put the key in the ignition. Now, once again, I don't have the second key of this right now. The customer's checking to see if they have it. What you're going to do is turn the key to the on position. You're going to come over here to that light. You see how it's on now? Now, what you typically do, I'm going to take this out again. You put the key in the ignition, turn the key to the on position so all the lights come on. You see that light come on? As soon as it goes off, you turn it off, take this first key out, put your secondary key in very quickly, put it back in, turn the key back on, and you'll let it stay solid until it goes out. From there, you turn the key off and you immediately start the engine. Once again, I only have one key for this vehicle as of right now that I know of. The customer is searching for the other key, and hopefully they can find it. If you do not have two of these keys, you're unfortunately going to be stuck at towing this vehicle back to the dealership, because you're going to have to purchase a new key, and they're going to have to code it. Only the dealership can code these keys. That's kind of where they get you with the anti-theft system. So I hope this has helped. Once again, this is Chris from Preppy Boys Automotive. If you have any questions, concerns, or anything like that, or how do I do this, or what's going on with my car, feel free to email us, preppyboysauto@hotmail.com, or you can give us a call here at our shop, 216-510-4583. Once again, this has been a 1998 Lincoln Continental, no start because of the anti-theft system.